Oh my God, TJ, he's choking. I gotta go get Lisa. Oh, Lisa, Lisa, Lisa. Oh, Lisa, it's TJ. He's choking. We gotta help him.
Oh, don't worry about that. Go check this out.
Oh, okay.
So I'm working on our WOWBoarding presentation. I'm really going to be getting rid of plain old boring onboarding and leveling up. I'm going to walk everybody through this great story of what happened to me. And what inspired this. We have a hysterical video of the worst first day ever. I break all and give all the details to each step, and we talk about and engage in different ideas on really making it go beyond onboarding throughout this process and turn it into wowing.
Wow.
Wow.